Hello everyone, in this video we will be seeing API automation. But before we go ahead, we need to make sure that the packages are already installed for us to use the actions. For this, let's go to the package manager. In the all packages, we need to make sure that the package for API automation is installed. Write web API and see, I have already installed this package. You need to install it before we go ahead. So this is the JSON API that we will be using, and this is how the output looks like. It is a JSON array. Before actually going ahead, let us send the request in the Postman. So here we click on new. We create a new HTTP request, and in the get we will just paste the URL. So this is the output for the get request that we sent. And if I scroll through the body, this is how it looks. So basically it is a JSON array and not just a JSON that we are getting in the response. Let's get started now. Here we will pull the HTTP request into the main sequence and now configure it. We will type the end URL over here. And for the rest of the things, we will keep it as default. Here I selected the response as any. We will get back to this. In the response content, we will create a variable. I've already created one, vResponse. It is a string type variable. And now we will just try to print the message. So here I will just enter the vResponse variable. Now let us try to run this. Let us get the response as JSON now, and later we will have to deserialize this JSON array into a readable format. Click on Configure. Now we select the response as JSON. In the response, if we click on refresh, in the response info, we can see that the content type is JSON. And it is a JSON array. Click on OK. Now drag the deserialized JSON array into the main sequence. Provide the JSON string, which is the vResponse. And in the JSON array, we create a new variable. vJSON array. In the variables, let me just show it to you. The variable type is JArray. Let me just delete this one. Let us now try to print this variable in the message box. So we write the variable name JSON array, and we will be wanting, suppose the first index of the array. We can start from 0 as well, but so far I will be printing the first element. Click on run. And this is the second element of the array. You can see that the ID is 2. Rest everything is fine, but what if we want to print a specific value of the first element of the array? For this, what we will do is, we will create a loop. In for each loop, we will set the current item. So here we have the loop. For we will select for each. The variable is JSON Array. We will just drag it below the Deserialize JSON Array. The item is current item, and in the body I will just print a message box. The value here will be current item along with we can have the index as well, or we can have the value. Suppose I want the ID or current ID or something else. So now it is printing the ID 1, then we have 2, then we have 3, and so on. Let me just stop it over here because it will keep going.